Guys, the second question is, see here, the second question is sort the list. Matlab, you have been given a linked list, you have to sort the linked list, guys. Shall we do this? Shall we do this? And now see here, the very first thing is, I will create a list node. I will create a list node called as head. Is it clear, guys? I will create a list node called as head. Is it clear, guys? Now, how do I sort it? I am not crazy about linked list. What I will do is, I'll create a new array list. Array list of integer a is equals to new array list. Is it clear, guys? What I will do is, I will store each and element 4, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3 into my array list. So how to do it? Very simple. While the value of head, listen to this, while the value of head is not equals to null, the first thing I will do is a dot add of head dot val. Is it clear? I have inserted the number called as 4 into my array list. Then I will write head is equals to head dot next. Clear, guys? With this what will happen? With this what will happen? All the elements of the linked list are copied to my array list. That is system dot out dot print me a. With this, as of now, I will return L only. As of now, now head has become null. I will write head is equals to L. I will return head only. If I run it, guys, see here, there will be no change in the input and output. But but can you see all the elements are there in my array list now? This was my input and all of them are in array list or not? See the next. First thing is okay, guys. See the next thing. You know, I am very crazy. I don't waste my time. I will just write a dot. I'll write collections dot in Python. In Python it is sorted. I'll show it. Collections dot sort of a. Now, guys, if I run it, a is sorted or not? If I run it, A is sorted or not. Remember, for sorting, it may use quick sort or merge sort. I don't care. This is n log n as of now. The time complexity has modified to n log n. Is it clear? This one was running in order of n because it is single for loop. But now, since the concept of sorting has been added, the time complexity has modified to n log n. Is it clear, guys? Now see what I will do. Guys, have I reset the value of head or not? Head is again pointing to 1000 or not? Head is again pointing to the, see what I will do. I'll create a variable called as I starts from 0. Is it clear, guys? See what I'll do. While the value of head, understand? While the value of head is not equals to null, see what I'm doing. I will modify head dot val is equals to a dot get of 0. Is it clear? Now I'm replacing the number. Previously this was 4. Now in the array list the first element is 1. I am replacing this 4 by 1 in this position. Is it clear, guys? In the 1000 previously I had 4. I am updating this as 1. Is it clear? But I will not write it 0. I will write I and I will do I plus plus. Is it clear? I will write I, then I will do I plus plus. With this, 4 has been replaced by 1. 1 has started pointing, I has started pointing to 2. I will move my head also. Head is equals to head dot next. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Again, my head has become null now. I'll reset the value of head is equals to L because I should send the starting address only. Now, when I run it, guys, is it working or not? It's simple copy paste. I don't operate on linked list. Why? वो बहुत complicate होता है. Try to switch the program either to list or either to HashMap. Then finally copy whatever numbers they want to copy. Why did I reset the value of head? Because head is pointing to null now. It is in the end. Bring it to the beginning. Anyways, L has the copy of the starting address. This is why you need L. Is it clear? Someone was asking me now why I want L. I want the starting address of the linked list. Without that, I am gone. Without that, I am gone. So I am storing the value. Whenever I want L, I will submit the program. Guys, is it working? Guys, is it working? And if I analyze the complexity, it is log of n only. N log n, sorry. If I analyze the complexity, it becomes n log n. Let's see if it analyzes. Where is it? Array, merge sort. See ya. Where is my efficiency, guys? Can you see here? I am using which one? N log n. Why it became n log n? Because the moment I called the sort method, it is gonna use the n log n complexity. This is the best sorting logic. Is it clear, guys? Everybody understood the magic of this? It's very easy, guys. Don't work on linked list. Kindly don't work on linked list. Use which one? HashMap or array. Convert the program. I told now I don't work on linked list. वो complicate कर देता है बहुत ज़्यादा. Switch it, guys. Python student, can you write this program? पक्का पक्का लॉक कर दिया जाएगा. Okay. But still I will type it once. Okay. L is equals to head. Create a list, guys. A is equals to list. Then while the value of head is not equals to, what is the word they have given here? None. Okay. While the value of head is not equals to none, first thing, a dot append of head dot val, then head is equal to head dot next. Clear, guys? Clear, guys? That's it. A dot append of head dot val, head is equal to head dot next. Let's sort it. A dot sort. The array is sorted. Then reassign the value of head to the starting position. That is, head is equals to L. Then start accessing it again. While the value of head is not equals to none, update the value, guys. Head dot val is equals to a of I, where my I starts from 0. Then increment the value of I is equals to I plus 1. Update the value of head is equals to head dot next. Now again my head has become none. I will write head is equals to L. Then return head. Return head. When I run it, translation first step. Same output, same submission. You will get the output for this one also. Is it clear, guys? See, the same program when I submitted using Java, the time taken is more than 11 milliseconds. The same program when I submitted in Python, the time taken is almost 11 milliseconds only. 34 milliseconds. So don't worry, both of them are running in what complexity? N log n complexity only. Is it clear till now? I'll stop the recording.